Okay, hi everyone. So today I'm going to bring you through now 2021 question 1. Okay, so let's take a look here. Express this in the form of... So right now what they want us to do is to complete the square. Now, what is the criteria that I must have whenever I complete the square? Okay, remember our coefficient of x squared must be 1. This is our what do you call it? Our criteria. The coefficient of x squared must be 1. Okay, so right now we see here my coefficient of x squared. Again, what is coefficient? Coefficient is the number that is tagged to the term. So in this case here, what is the number that is tagged to my x squared? How many x squares do I have? Okay, so over here I have -1. Negative x squared is the same as saying -1 times x squared. So my coefficient here is -1. Okay, so -1 of course is not the same as 1 lah. So that's why I must make it into 1. So let me write down the expression here. So how to get rid of how to change -1 to become just +1 is very simple. I take out the negative sign. Now notice that when I take out the negative sign, all my other signs like +2x here now becomes -2x, -5 here now becomes +5. Okay, then again same thing, same rule like always. For completing the square, okay, I introduce the b/2 square. Then after that I have to minus it away, +5. Now then here, okay, so again these three terms will go into your completed the square form. So what is the form here? It will be x. Now because this is a minus sign, that's why here I will get a minus. Okay, minus 2/2 is 1. Like that. Okay, then after that for this one here, the one in purple, now that I'm highlighting, you just simply press this into your calculator and you should get 4. Positive 4. Now we're not done yet, right? Because I still haven't, I am still, my negative sign is still causing all my terms to be bounded in brackets. So very simple, just multiply by negative signs to both terms. And this is the answer that you'll get. Okay, now let's take a look at part B. Hence, explain why -x squared plus 2x minus 5 is always negative. Okay, so hence meaning you use the answer from the first part. So -x minus 1 square minus 4. Okay, now I think your teachers have mentioned to you many times already. Every time you square something, okay, this is always positive. Okay, so this is how you must explain. So step by step bring us through. Okay, for every x, sorry, not for every x, for all real values of x, sorry, for all real values of x minus 1 square is always more than 0. Always more than or equals to 0. Okay, now then after that, introduce a negative sign. So of course I must flip the inequality sign. That's what you learned before. Then after that, I introduce a -4 on both sides. Now, of course, we know for a fact that -4 is less than 0. So that is why, by powers of transitivity, I'm able to group these two together and say that, okay, hence, -x minus 1 square minus 4 is always negative for all real values of x. State the coordinates of the turning point on the graph of y equals to -x squared plus 2x minus 5. Okay, so over here, you have y equals to this. Now, we did part A already. It's the same as saying this. Okay, so here very simply, you look at your coordinates here, your points are 1 and -4. That's it.